Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Google Shopping in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to proceed here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match, go with open to continue, and wait until a new window would appear, which is your Google Chrome browser. So we just have to wait until everything are set here at the Google Chrome before we proceed. Okay, so here at the Google Chrome browser at the upper right side of that, you can see there Gmail, images, and this icon and this. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to click on it to see Google Apps. Okay, tap on it. And you need to scroll down and look for shopping. Okay, so tap on it and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Shopping itself. Okay, so here at the Google Shopping, website, if we want to install that here in our Windows 11 as an application, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the upper right side of that where you can see three dots. Click on it to customize and control Google Chrome. And all you need to do is you need to scroll down and look for cast, saved, and share. And the moment you locate your cursor here, this would appear. Where here you need to proceed on install page as an application. So tap on it and it will ask you to confirm on installing this page as an app. All you need to do is you need to click on install. Okay. So the moment you have clicked on it, this new window would appear. And if we will minimize this and if we will close this Google Chrome browser, there we have that. We have just successfully add our Google Shopping as an application or installed it in our Windows or computer. Now this is good, especially if we want to access it easily here in our Windows 11 without accessing our Google Chrome browser. We can easily access it. And if we try to type for shopping, there we have that. We can see this in an application. And if we double tap to it, okay, so let's check if it's working. Now we can simply access it in just a click or a double click in our Windows or computer. So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.